So you may be watching this and you still need to go back to work tomorrow or after the weekend. So how can you take some of these lessons and make the world a better place? Well, the good news is that you are already making the world a better place by being here. I can't emphasize that enough. But I'm going to tell you now something that may surprise you. You, whether you know it or not, are already a business owner and have been selling a product or service already for a while. In fact, you already know who your customers are, and they have been paying you regularly for your products and services. However, up until today, you've been probably calling them something unintentionally incorrect. You've been calling your customers either your boss or your employer by mistake this entire time. From now on, I, and hopefully you, will forever call them by their correct title. They're your best customers. Many people complain about their paycheck and how little they're paid. Many times people state that if they just paid me more, then they would actually care more and do a better job. However, can you just imagine, let's just say you owned a bakery, how this would sound to your actual customers? If you pay me more for these cookies, then I would actually bake a higher quality cookie? That's not how it works. There are bakeries in this world today that people proudly pay $20 a cookie for. And in fact, if I go to a steakhouse, I can actually pay $5 for a steak, or I can pay $100 for a steak. There's no shortage of customers for a $100 steak. In fact, there is probably a waiting list and a requirement to make a reservation and a dress code. You probably have to wait to go there. So how can you be the $100 steak and not the $5 steak? If you want to make more money, you need to treat yourself and respect yourself as a business owner, and your employer is your best customer. So if you've ever told your customer, "I'm sorry, I can't do that. It's not in my job description," you've basically told your customer that they should go shop somewhere else and give some other business owner their business and an opportunity for growth. You see, if you want to make more money, it's better to be ubiquitous than obscure. By making your customers happy, they have no choice but to pay you more. Well, why? Because you're more valuable to them. When you are more valuable, your market shares goes up because they know you can always go somewhere else for more money. You do not increase your value by having a reputation for being difficult to work with, by gossiping, by sabotaging success, refusing opportunity, by creating or perpetuating drama, or by only doing things if you are paid to do them. Don't worry, payment comes later, and it comes soon. Now, you may also worry that you might have to do way too much, that maybe I'm just doing way too much for my boss or my employer. But the thing is every business owner may have an opportunity to also franchise. What this means is that your boss may also give you an opportunity to then have responsibility over others. No, you don't have to do it all. But when you get into that position where you can then franchise, you can then delegate that responsibility to others. And therefore, your market value also increases. Remember, your reward, your monetary reward, comes by how many people you make happy and by the degree in which you make them happy. It comes by connection, and it comes by genuine help.
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you found value and you would like to hear more of what these coaches are saying each and every week, please subscribe to our channel so that you can continue to get these episodes. We hope you have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.